Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here with Calvin Getz of Strategy Financial Group. Now, when it comes to Social Security, you want to make sure you get all of the benefits that you are entitled to. So Calvin, let's talk about that. What are some key things to consider when it comes to making sure we're not leaving benefits behind?
Sure. The first thing to know is that the average household can leave up to $100,000 on the table by not planning properly and taking Social Security on the wrong timing. That's why we always run a Social Security analysis for people. The other thing is to make sure you've checked your earnings record and that everything's been tracked over time. And if you're not sure how to do that, you can go to ssa.gov and you can click on My Social Security and create your own account and do that. You also want to factor things in like, are you married? Are you single? Have you saved money towards retirement that you could live on and potentially defer your benefit longer? Typically, the higher benefit spouse delays a little bit longer and the lower benefit spouse claims earlier. But we want to get that timing right depending on life expectancy and retirement savings.
Right, so there's some coordination that's involved here when it comes to taking Social Security, whether you're married, single, you really need to take some time and make the right decision here.
That's right. Getting the timing right is why retirement planning is different. And that's why we've put together this retirement kit with tips on exactly how to do that. Because whether you're nearing retirement, you've just retired, or you've been retired a long time, this kit will benefit you.
Right, it only makes sense to get the right advice on your Social Security benefits. So call, text, or go online right now. You can get Calvin's Retirement Roadmap Kit. Calvin, thanks so much for your time today.
Thank you, Jen.
And thanks for watching this week's Retirement Report.